If you haven't saved in a while, we need to do the Command S, the keyboard shortcut, to save all the work that we've been doing, because we certainly don't want to lose any of that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle box. I'm using the one with the X in it. And I'm using that one because that is normally considered to be a uh, uh, graphic. Now, in the old versions of Quirk Express, if you drew a graphics box, it was forever a graphics box. And in InDesign, you can actually convert this box to a text box or whatever. So, drawing the wrong box isn't always a problem. We can always do something later to fix it. But when I see the X in a box, I know that this is a graphic box. Well, the graphic that I want is on our web page with the class assignment. And again, your class assignment page may look a little different than this, but this is the graphic. And if I press and hold the control key down, then click my mouse, I get a little window that looks something like this, and I'm looking for the text that says something very similar to Save Image As. And it may be slightly different on your computer or the browser that you're using, but the place I want to save my graphic to is going to be my desktop. I'm going to click on desktop and tell it to save. By the way, one of the questions that people will ask is, I had an attachment on my email, I told it to download, and I can't find it. Let me quickly take a moment to show you where to look for that. What you want to do is go to the student folder, and there's a folder called downloads. And the download folder is where you're going to find all the things that are normally downloaded onto your computer. Well, I can see I have a copy of this on my desktop. Let me switch back over to InDesign. So I'm going to go to File, Place. I'm looking on my desktop. There's that logo. I'm going to tell it to bring it in. And it is size huge, but we can always go up to Object, Fitting, and I'm going to fit content proportional. And there's my content sitting inside that box.